make sure that the foreground color is white and the background color black. Right now it's black on white. If I click this arrow here, that switches the two. Watch. Click. And now I've got a white foreground, black background. Now click File, New, and when the Create a New Image dialog box opens up, click the Advanced Options, and just make sure that in the Advanced Options it says Fill with Background Color, which is black. If I click OK, Gimp will open up an empty canvas that has a black background, just like we asked for. Okay, now you may remember that this is the ellipse tool. You select it, and when you select it, we're going to draw an ellipse on top of the canvas. I'll just click, drag, and draw an ellipse, which is basically an oval. Okay, and now you'll notice that that ellipse has handles, top, bottom, left, and right. So if you're happy with the shape of it, you can click and drag to adjust the shape. Okay. Now after drawing it, you'll see that the ellipse has an outline, the marching ants outline, and click in the center of the ellipse, and that will remove the handles, leaving you only the marching ants outline. Go into the paint bucket tool, which is this tool here, click it, and down in the options menu, make sure that you have clicked the FG color fill, which is the foreground color. Now what's the foreground again? Right now it's white. Okay. And then further down in the tools, make sure that you select fill whole section. Okay. And that will mean that everything inside the outline will be filled in white. Okay, so I quickly use my bucket fill tool, click inside, and everything inside has been filled. none of those through, it's solid red. Okay. All right, click here. Maybe choose a blue. Change dark blue, light blue, on a blue that you like. Click OK. Maybe I'll click here, right here, and that's blue. Okay. And maybe I'll switch the color to a green this time. But this time, you know, the opacity, maybe change it to 25%. Just want to show you what it looks like. So click here, and what that means is a lot of the gray in the background showed through because the opacity, you know, 75% of the background came through. Okay. So anyway, this is the fill tool. Experiment with it, have fun, and see what else you can do with this tool.